everybody, today we're going to be doing our descriptive writing. So you're going to need to use the word banks that you put together yesterday, and I'm going to show you a little example of how I did it. So yesterday on your learning video you had this picture of this invention, and I've decided it's called the Workomatic, which is based on what Logan and Mia did for their marvellous inventions. Okay, so today I'm going to use all those words, those two adjectives that I planned for each part of the machine, and I'm going to use them to put them into a description of this marvellous machine. Okay, so we start by looking at different parts of the picture. Okay, so our learning objective is to write a description of an invention, and to use our success criteria today is to use 2A sentences. And we know, don't we, that means that each sentence each noun is described with 2 adjectives, okay, like we practiced through the week. Okay, so I'm going to start with this part of the machine, which is the hard chair part. Okay, so I'm going to start. How shall I begin? Okay, so this hard plastic chair sits where? At the top of the, how did I describe the ladder yesterday? I said it was a tall, dangerous ladder. So my sentence is going to say the hard, remember we put comma after the hard because there's 2 adjectives, plastic chair sits at the top of a tall, 2 as first adjective, comma, dangerous, second adjective, ladder. And what do I need at the end of my sentence? A full stop. There we go. Which part of it shall I do now? Oh, I like this part here. Look, it's like a little dashboard like you have on a car, isn't it? What shall I say? Right. The dashboard, it has a dashboard. And what is on the dashboard? What can you see on that dashboard? We could say the small, a tiny, we said tiny essay. It has a dashboard with tiny, comma, ticking, clocks, and what else? And, oh, and fiddly, something you like to play with, little dials. What else do we notice about my machine? Which part of it shall I look at now? I like this part here. Look at this tank. I'm going to write steam chutes, because it probably would, wouldn't it, if I was going to clean my house with it. Steam chutes from, what did we call it? A long hissing, because that was the noise I think it would be making. Gas pipe. What should I put now? And what would be coming out of this? Oh, and a signal. And signals. Flash from the pointy metal and 10, 9. Which part of my machine am I going to look at next? Oh, I know. We liked talking about this yesterday, the lockable leather case. What do you think would be in that lockable leather case? Maybe some top secret plans? Should we put that in? Top secret plans are kept in the lockable leather case. And what can we finish off? Or what about the flapping red flag we described yesterday? Should we mention that? Oh, I know, the flapping red flag shows when the machine, sorry, the work-o-matic is on. Okay, everybody, so using all of those adjectives that we collected yesterday, we've managed to write a description of the work-o-matic. Shall we read it through together? Because once you've done your writing, it's always really important, isn't it, to read it again and to check for mistakes, check your spellings, make sure you've got your two adjectives, make sure that you've got your commas in between the two adjectives and that you've finished out each sentence with a full stop. Okay, so let's read over it together. The hard plastic chair sits at the top of a tall, dangerous ladder. It has a dashboard with tiny ticking clocks and fiddly little dials. Steam shoots from a long hissing gas pipe and signals flash from the pointy metal antennae. Top secret plans are kept in the lockable leather case. Oh, look, I forgot. Mark's mistake. Make it better. Put my comma in. The flapping red flag shows when the work-o-matic is on. Right, so your challenge now is to look at that picture that I've given you of that time machine and to use the adjectives that you collected to write me a fantastic description of the time machine, okay? And then send it to me on Seesaw. See you later, everybody.